okay? I came up with blondie because my hair was blonde.
But you're not blonde.
One girl, where no one has dared to go. You will be terrified.
Oh, fuck!
Hang on to your seats.
The one-footer!
A test of courage. Critics are calling it sensational.
Hey guys, it's Saturday, it's sunny, and I need coffee. I don't want to stop. There is nobody coming. Hurry up, you privileged people. But, what was I saying? I don't think my visor's closed. Nope. Now it is. Thought it was pretty drafty in my eye sockets. Are you in shorts? Oh my god. I thought she was in red leggings, but no, that was her skin. That was freaking freezer burn on them chicken legs. I wish I had someone here to come have coffee with me. It's gonna be a little awkward when I'm sitting outside in the sunshine like a lizard all by myself. Coffee.
Hi gang, this is Chameli and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, start out now. Landor ikkad nunchi around 35 kilometers ala avutundi, 35-40. Petrol kodichukuni let's go. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చినాక ఎంత దగ్గరికి అన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది, కానీ ఇంకా 13 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉంది. ఎంత అన్నా రైనీ సీజన్స్లో చాలా ఇట్లా రోడ్డు మీదకి వచ్చేస్తాయి. వీఆర్ రైడింగ్ ఇన్ ద క్లౌడ్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు చార్దుకా నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయాము. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ ల్యాండోర్ బేక్ హౌస్ ఉన్నాం కదా, జస్ట్ ఒక 1 కిలోమీటర్ ఉంటుంది అంతే.
Oh man, new gloves. The struggle is so real with new gloves. Come on. These gloves are amazing though. I really like these gloves. I always love those last minute rides. Like, hey, wanna ride? Hey, wanna ride? Yeah, let's go. I know a lot of people are asking what kind of bike I'm gonna get next. The next bike is going to be another S1000RR. Let's go. I'll be back. Where's your clutch? Come on, there it is. Okay.
backseat for a getaway, car top down. But you know I would only let you down.
Actuellement en pleine réflexion pour une vidéo intro intéressante. Je vous présente mon nouveau mec.
Et là c'est le moment où je teste la moto à rupture. Alors franchement le temps c'est pas mon truc. Je pense que si t'as goûté du 4 temps avant, c'est clairement difficile de t'y faire au 2 temps.
One-handed, folks. One-handed. Looks like there might be a pretty serious water crossing. Oh, shit. I hate water crossing.
Good morning, internet. It is 8:30 in the morning and welcome to my channel. Oh, those mountains, that is Afghanistan. All those mountains there.
Oh my god, someone is looking really hot. And today, 3rd June 2021 is the day when अपनी bike finally आने वाली है. So the bike जिसकी आज delivery is a Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 bike. मैंने कलर स्पेसिफिकली लिया हुआ है ग्रेवल ग्रे because grey and pink combination plus neon is our favorite. And oh my god, I'm in love with this bike. It's 11 AM right now. I wanted to complete my sleep and then leave for ride. And I am going on a ride. So this time it's gonna be more than 5,000 kilometers wali ride. Bye. Bye. With our new motovlogging setup.